Hello, students! Welcome back to our grammar class. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic, idioms. Idioms are expressions made up of a group of words that have a particular meaning, which is often different from the literal meaning of the words. Learning idioms helps you sound more natural and fluent in English. Let's look at some common idioms and their meanings. Add fuel to the fire. This is used when someone instigates or makes a situation worse. Example: his comments only added fuel to the fire during the argument. Alive and kicking. This is used to indicate someone or something is healthy and doing well. Example: after the surgery, she was alive and kicking. By any chance. This is used to show something is possible. Example: by any chance, do you have a pen I can borrow? Call it a day. This is used to indicate stopping an activity. Example: after finishing the report, we decided to call it a day. Center of attraction. This is used for someone or something that draws attention. Example: the singer became the center of attraction at the party. Early bird. This is used for a person who does things earlier than others. Example: the early bird always gets the best seats at the concert. Easy money. This is used when money is earned with very little effort. Example: winning the small lottery was easy money for him. Face the music. This is used when someone accepts criticism or consequences for their actions. Example: she had to face the music for missing the deadline. Far and wide. This is used to indicate something is everywhere or widespread. Example: news of the festival spread far and wide. Go the extra mile. This is used to show putting in effort beyond expectations. Example: he went the extra mile to help his friend prepare for exams. Good for nothing. This is used for something or someone useless. Example: the old tool was good for nothing. Act part the role. This is used when someone pretends. Example: he acted part the role of a teacher during the play. Hard and fast. This is used for rules or things that are strict and non-flexible. Example: the school has a hard and fast policy about uniforms. Heart and soul. This is used when someone is devoted or dedicated completely. Example: she put her heart and soul into preparing the decorations. In the meantime. This is used to indicate meanwhile or an intervening period. Example: the teacher was busy. In the meantime, we reviewed our notes. In other words. This is used to explain something differently or more clearly. Example: he is frugal. In other words, he saves money carefully. Labor of love. This is used for a task done for pleasure, not for profit. Example: writing the book was a labor of love. Narrow escape. This is used when someone barely escapes from danger. Example: they had a narrow escape from the flood. Poles apart. This is used to indicate two things are very different. Example: their opinions were poles apart on the topic. Next to nothing. This is used to show something is almost nil or very little. Example: the old bike was worth next to nothing. Odd one out. This is used for a person or thing that doesn't fit in a group. Example: he was the odd one out in the team because he played a different position. out of the blue. This is used for something happening unexpectedly. Example, she called me out of the blue after many years. Practice time. Take a moment, think carefully, and answer.
Check the correct answers. Fantastic work! You've now learned the basics of idioms. Keep revising these idioms and your English will become richer and more expressive. See you in the next class.